If you're experiencing issues with the Overwatch 2 update getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Restart your console or PC. Shut down your gaming console or PC completely. Wait for a few moments, then power it back on. This can clear temporary glitches that may be causing the update to freeze. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can test this by trying to load a website or another online game. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, navigate to the settings and find the option to clear the cache. On PC, you can do this by closing the Blizzard Battle net app, then deleting the cache folder located in the app data. Restart the app afterward. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. Go to the Overwatch 2 update in your game library. Pause the update and wait a few moments before resuming it. This can sometimes kickstart the download process again. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall Overwatch 2 and then reinstall it. This will ensure you have the latest version and can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the Overwatch 2 update. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.